you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the limited edition fragrance box. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I just received the limited edition fragrance box. Allure Beauty did send me an email a while back stating that they have this new box. It is a fragrance box. It's supposed to have a $215 value, one full-size product. The full-size product is supposed to have a retail value of $68 on its own, and 14 different pieces in here. So I'm sure there's gonna be a lot of little samples. This was $50 for anybody to purchase, but members, like I am an Allure Beauty subscriber, members got this box for only $30. So I went ahead and grabbed one because I felt like for $30, I would think that would definitely be worth it, at least for the full size product valued at $68. That's more than half off of that one alone. And then I can show you guys what this box is all about. So again, I paid $30 for this. When you open it up, it looks like that. There is this brochure. It says Sensation on the back. And I guess that's gonna go over all of the products that are inside of here. So that's what it looks like. So that's going to be the full-size product. Let's go ahead and grab that one out first. That is this right here. So this one here is the full size, and this is the one that values for $68. Okay, so that is that without the plastic on it, and this is a 1 fluid ounce, and it looks like it's an Ellie Tahari, and it has very cute packaging, and oh, there's a little plastic even covering the logo. So that's what it looks like. That is super cute, and it has the top, it has the matching all the way to the back, back here. That is really cute. So let's see how this smells. I've never heard of this. I don't know if I don't know what to say about that one. I don't know what to say about that one, to be quite honest. I don't know to say if I like it or I don't like it. Like, I'm torn in between of not knowing. It's like of the unknown. And I don't know what that smells like. I'm not sure. At least I got it in this one, and I can add it to my perfume collection, but that is the full size. I just don't know. I don't know. It smells like pepper, and I don't know. I don't know. Let's just keep on going with whatever else is in here. And it seems like they're all gonna be wrapped up. I don't know. I'm gonna ask my man what he thinks that smells like. Okay. So I went out and I asked my man, I said, can you smell this for me? And I stayed away so he couldn't smell everything that's all going on me right now. And I was like, can you smell this? And I was like, tell me what you smell. He's like, ew, this is a man's cologne. And I was like, no, it's women's. He's like, no, it's men's. And I was like, no, it's women's, but what do you smell? And he's like, what do you say? He goes, I smell sunscreen. And I laughed so hard. I'm like, you smell sunscreen? He's like, yeah. So we had our employee smell it, and he's like, dude, I smell bug spray. And I was like, are you serious? Like, you smell bug spray? And he's like, yeah. I was like, all I know is if I were to spray that shit on me at the store, I would set it back down and I'd walk the hell away. I was like, I know I wouldn't buy it, but I'm like conflicted on what it smells like. To me, I'm smelling black pepper. And then, because I didn't want to say anything, because then, of course, if somebody says something, then when you're smelling it, you're going to be thinking what they say, and then it might smell like it even if it doesn't. So I didn't want to say anything about any scents or anything. I just wanted them to try it. And one said it was a men's and it smelled like sunscreen. And the other said bug spray. And I say black pepper. So none of those sound appealing whatsoever. So I really, really wish for the full size item, they would have chose a different product maybe that would have been smelling better. So there's that. So it looks like this is going to be the next one right here. And it looks like that. For it being this type of a vial, I like that it is actually this big and it's kind of decorative. I like it the way that it looks. Most of the ones that I get are attached to the cards and they're like maybe this big. So I do appreciate that at least it is a lot bigger. Maybe my senses are off today. I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't even be sniffing these. Maybe I should just be telling you guys what the hell's in here. I know, it just kind of smells like a baby powdery, like soft spa kind of scent. That's what I'm picking up on this one. I'm not quite sure. I don't know, but I don't know. Okay, so here is the next one. And this one is supposed to be a roll-on fragrance. So there's the package. And yes, it definitely is. Let me put this on a spot away from, it's like oily. It's just like the way it's laying on my skin is very water. Can you even see? Yeah, you see that spot? Let's see. That's why it's all oily, because it's a fragrance oil. Now that one smells pretty good. Yeah, that one smells good. I like that. Yeah, I can smell that one, and I think that one actually smells pretty good. And I like that it's a roll-on, so you're getting like different, you know, they're not all just sprays or not all like bottles like this. You're getting different types. So this one is going to be the Flower Bomb Midnight. I have never smelled the Midnight, but the other Flower Bomb smells so good. I really, really would love to get that one in a full size. This is what the packaging looks like. See, I don't like that one as much as the pink one. It still smells good, but I prefer the other one a little bit better, but it does smell good. So I'm glad at least I have both of them. So I have a sample of the other size right now. So I can use both of them, and then I can figure out which one I want to buy the full size one. So that's actually cool. I do like that though, but I'm just not sure which one I like better, because I really like the other one. Okay, so this is this guy right here, and this is another perfume oil roller ball. So I'm gonna start rolling on this arm now. This one does not appear to be as oily as the other one. This one kind of is going into my skin a little bit better, where the other one kind of like had the oil just sat on top. Ooh, that smells nice. Yeah, that does smell nice, and it's not too much. So that's good for a roller upper ball, because then you can get a little nice subtle dew, like toss that in your purse and just roll it on. I like that. That one smells really good. All right, so now we have is another, this one says a body oil. Oh, this is an actual body oil. Okay, that's the package. So is it straight a body oil, or is it a perfume body oil? I have no clue. Is this then, I don't know. Let me just put a little dabble do ya over here. I don't know. And use a finger that I haven't used, so I don't know. So I'm gonna use the side of my hand. Okay, yeah, it is perfumed. But ooh, it smells nice and clean and refreshing. Ooh, I like that smell. I like that. So far I'm really liking everything, but the full size is just not, yeah, I'm not sure about the full size. And then so next, okay, so I'm like, it was said 14. I'm like, how is there 14? Because there's nothing else left in this box but this. So there's 8 of them in here. What? Okay. So this would be 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yeah, so then that's how they get their 14, because 8 of them is in this set right here. How clever are they? There's 14, come and get it. Okay. So it comes in this package right here, and it says floral scents. Oh, nice. So it looks like there's going to be a poppy, a wonderland peony, a rose. There's a wild vanilla orchid, iris goddess, something sublime, black lotus, and a lang lang espresso. Let me try that one, because I'm not going to go through all 8 of these scents. I'm not going to be able to smell anything by the end of the day, but I want to try the espresso and see if it smells like coffee. That's what I'm excited for. It actually does. I smell hints of coffee in there. Wow. It does. It smells like espresso, like coffee. Okay, so let me see what the Iris Goddess smells like. I'm gonna smell like a French horse. I'm gonna leave this room smelling like very pretty. Oh, so pretty. I didn't really smell that one. Where have I not? Let me just spray it on a piece of paper. Yeah, let's do that. Let's spray it on the card. Something I haven't sprayed yet. Ooh, that does smell nice. That does smell nice. Iris Goddess. That smells nice. It almost smells like a blackberry, like, I don't know. That would kind, I don't know. It smells very good though. So these are probably going to be all really good, except the rose and the vanilla are not going to be used by me, but everything else will. So that's cool. You get all these samples to try out. There's 8 of them in this set, which is really neat. And again, there's all those different floral scents. So that's a cool little theme set here. And then you have this guy. You have this in an oil where you can actually like suck it out and dab it through your body. And then you have the 2 oil roller balls. And then you have this big guy here where you pop the top, and then a full size as well. And this one, you guys, I'm not feeling this one. I want to. I really, really want to. Yeah, I'm just smelling black pepper. Like, I mean, I love pepper in my food, but I don't want to smell like it. I don't know. I don't know about that one. That is everything that came in the fragrance box, the limited edition fragrance box that they had. Let me know, did you see this? Did you grab this? Do you like this? Would you have got it? Do you think it was a good value? I at least see the value of what I paid being $30, because this being the full size, even though I don't really like the scent of it, this is normally $68. So I paid $30 and I got a full size product and all of these to try out that are bigger than the little samples. They're more like, I would say, a deluxe sample of all of these. And then all of these have little sprays, which are really cool as well. So I feel that I definitely got my $30 worth. I just don't want to smell like pepper, but you know, let me know what you guys thought. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.